All right, everyone. So let me share the agenda for today, first of all. So we want to introduce to everyone our new option module, which allows you to build a strategy template using the GUI interface. And rather than taking the particular strikes behind the strategy that you create, it captures the relevant template, like if it's a ATM or a OTM, and stores the strategy for you. And then we allow you to load that strategy for any set of symbols at any given point in time. And you are able to test that strategy or deploy it through a graphical interface in the live markets. That's the overall idea, to give a very easy graphical interface to construct a strategy template and run it on any instrument that you desire. So what we will walk through during this demo would be, we will create and backtest a long straddle strategy. I'll run it on Bank Nifty at the monthly time interval. Then I will load previously constructed short triangle strategy, a butterfly strategy, an iron condor. And we will talk about their dynamics and how to backtest them, and then how to improve them based on the results that you get. Finally, we will learn to save the template and load it for any symbol, irrespective of how we constructed it. And eventually, we will learn how to execute it with your favorite broker through a single click. And since our platform currently takes the last day's close as the reference for ATM, so for Nifty, we will use 18,200 as the ATM strike price to construct the strategy. Eventually, you can use it based on whenever you load it, it will load it based on right now it will load it based on the yesterday's close, but eventually we will make it real time. All right, so let's get started. Here's our platform. So you go to our options trading module and option leg builder. So like I said, first of all, we'll construct a straddle strategy. We will construct it on the default Nifty 50, but we can run it on any instrument. So let's choose the month end expiration. And for strike, we will choose 18,200 as the ATM. So in this case, to build a straddle, we want to buy a put and a call. So I'll add first of all the put position. Then subsequently, I add the call. And our long straddle is ready. You can see the payoff. You can keep on adding more and more legs as you see fit for the risk return profile that you want to build. And our payoff diagram, our Greeks, will keep on evolving correspondingly. So in this case, like I said, this is for me to give the current strike so that it can learn the template. Now, when I save the strategy, it's taking that I need to buy the ATM at any given point in time for both the put and the call. So now let me give it a name. Let me put everyone on mute, or kindly keep yourself on mute when you're not speaking. All right. So in this case, we'll call it long straddle. And now we have saved the template. So the template has been saved. It can be loaded with any symbol and it can be backtested. We'll walk through an example of that, and then we'll keep on moving towards a more kind of multi-leg option strategies. So first of all, let's see how it loads when we change a symbol. And it could be anything. Let's move to Axis Bank. And I load the same strategy. And now it has started to pick the appropriate at the money call and put for that particular symbol. And if I'm ready to place the order, I can select my broker and I can immediately place an order here. Now, if I need to backtest any strategy, I go to create backtest within the option testing module. And let us choose the recently created strategy, demo long straddle. Let me run it on Bank Nifty. See, we constructed it on Nifty, so it stored the template. Now we can run it on any symbol. We can execute it on any symbol we desire. It has captured the pattern that we want to run. So I want to run it on Bank Nifty on the monthly interval. Let's run it for the whole year. And this right now is it will buy one lot for us, and we'll get to see the absolute PNL. Okay, so I've chosen Bank Nifty on long straddle at the month frequency. So that means it will buy the call and put at the start of the month and liquidate it at the expiration. And I'm ready to run this. So, all right. So you start seeing the results set. These are for each and every month. You can see your P&L statement. If you had just bought the call and put at the start of the month and liquidated it at expiration, for each month, what the profit and loss will look like. And you get a graphical representation as well. So this gives you confidence on what you can expect if you deploy that very strategy on a particular instrument into the future on any live market, or if you need to make certain changes. Now this may spark an idea that you may want to ride the move as well. In this case, we are buying. Okay, so this gives us a profit every time there's a sharp move. And we are making a loss whenever the move was small enough that it didn't compensate for the premium that we paid. So this can spark a new set of strategies on how to either mitigate these negative trades or to take advantage of it. So now let's move to another one. So once we are done with a long straddle, and you can run it on any instrument, and you can load it for any instrument and place live orders. Now let's load another strategy, and this time we will choose a short strangle. All right, so this has loaded the relevant values for the short strangle. Okay, let me change the instrument. Month end expiration, and now I want short strangle. All right, so our ATM was 18,200. In a strangle position, we go slightly out of the money and sell a near ATM, slightly out of the money, call and put. So this is the template that it captured. So yesterday when I constructed the strategy, it was constructed based on 18,000 being the ATM. So it captured the pattern, and today it's loading based on the yesterday's ATM, what it wants to buy, what it wants to sell for the call and the put. And our graph responds to it. You get to see, since you are selling both call and put in this case, you have a limited max profit, which is the premium that you've collected, and you have open-ended losses in this case, which can be mitigated by adding covers to it, as we will see in the iron condor and the butterfly strategy. And you know your break-even points. So you get to see your risk and reward profile completely. And finally, you can manage your Greeks. Let's say you want to adjust them on a daily basis. You can remove a position, you can change the lot size and keep it under control. All right, so now, so I've loaded this strategy. You can make changes and save it with an alternate name, or you can place the orders. But in our case, let's go again and try to backtest it. So in this case, we want a short strangle. I'll again choose Bank Nifty, but this time we will run it on the weekly interval. So that means, so mostly the volatility that happens in a stock like Bank Nifty, mostly at the month interval, you can see the dynamics. Sometimes a lot of premium is available just because of the volatility in the stock, and then you may be able to milk it on a weekly interval. And sometimes it pays to take to own a straddle, so that you if an outsized move happens, you can gain from that. So the back testing gives you enough confidence on how should you maximize your exposure to the move, and try as much extra premium is available, and still manage your risk if an outsized move happens. So it's a trade-off between collection of premium and the premium that you need to pay to capture that outsized gain. So like a perfect example. So you're selling premium in this case for both for the call and put, and every month you get some sort of a return back. You're collecting premium, nothing happens. And then this sharp moves happens. So in this case, it's mitigated. As you can see, most of your overall positive, the negatives can be handled by the cumulative profits that have been gained. But if you had to ride this sharp move as well, you can have a cheap cover, both for the call and put, that you don't need to pay too much premium. That's where the next set of strategies come in handy, which are the for which you sell again near or at the money, and then you buy covers. So whatever you sold, you will keep on collecting premium, and for the outsized move, if you paid very less premium for the cover, the outside move will also give you enough of a boost in your P&L. All right. So you get to see that mostly you get to collect premium and a few losses to manage in this case. And it's not limited. Like I said, you run it for any instrument, it will spark new ideas. So let's run the same strategy for a different instrument. Short strangle. Now let's pick Reliance. Okay, so there are no weekly options for Reliance, only monthly. Again, just focus on the trades. How many are giving you premium, because you're collecting in a premium collecting strategy. And here the premium collected was not enough to mitigate the move that happened. So you can plan alternate strategies. All right. So see, it's so easy. You construct it on one instrument. You are able to backtest it on any set of instruments, and even run it live on any set of instruments. So let's do an example of that. Again, I just load it. I know most of the time the premium is good enough for me to collect. So I load my short strangle strategy for any symbol. It's a graphical drop down selection for you, and you are ready to place your order. You can change anything here, change the lot size, change the market order, limit order, however you want to place your trade. You just select your broker and you're ready to place your trades. All of them, it could be a 6-leg strategy, and all the trades get fired with a single click. All right, let's come back to our, and just cancel it. And your payoff charts are auto-adjusting, your Greeks are always auto-adjusting accordingly. So finally, I want to move, let me change the symbol. And I want to showcase other strategies. So we've talked about straddle, where you buy the call and put at the money. We have talked about strangle. In this case, we had a short strangle. So we were selling near ATM call and put. We got to backtest it on a variety of instruments, and we can load it for any instrument and place live orders immediately, few clicks. And now let's load slightly more sophisticated strategy. So let's load an iron condor. And all these strategies are also part of an example of how easy it is to create, backtest, and place these orders. You can create non-standard strategies also where you have 5 legs, 7 legs, disproportionate amount of lot size based on the risk that you're ready to bear and the exposure you want towards the reward. All right, so you see on the graph now, it's again a good visual check that you have an iron condor strategy. You are selling, again, our reference in this case is 18,200. So we are selling slightly away from the ATM. We are selling 2 options, call and put, and we are buying it further out to cover our exposure, to make our exposure bound. We don't have open-ended losses in this case. As you were seeing in the previous case, our max loss is confined now. Of course, our profit is also very limited because we are selling very cheap options. Now we can modify it to vary our exposure. Let's modify it. So in this case, from 18,200, we were selling 18,600. Let's say I want to modify it. I can modify my lot size also. And in this case, I'll go slightly close. This is a call option. So 18,200, let's say I sell 18. This is 18,600. So let's say 18,400. And similarly for our put option, we will also make it slightly closer to ATM. So in our case, 18,000. So as you can see, the premium you collect increase slightly. All right, so you can keep on changing the dynamics of the strategy. You can make it a ratio spread, as we will see in the next strategy that we talk about. All right, so now you've modified it. You can save it with an alternate name. So let's call it modified iron condor. And get to save it. So everything is graphical for you to construct, to load, to backtest, and to place the orders. I can immediately place the orders. I can change the symbol, reload it, place the orders for that symbol. And the other option is for me to backtest. Let's create a backtest for this now. So my modified iron condor, let's run it for Nifty 50 in this case at a monthly interval. All right, so a lot of negative trades. So that gives you a food for thought on how to change the strikes, visualize each and every negative trade, and figure out a general rule on how to modify it to make it work. And it may work for some symbol, even in the current state. Let's just for our exposure, let's run the same strategy, same modified iron condor on Nifty. Similar results. I'll do one final test for you to run the default one. Let me take my default iron condor where I gave it more room to make a move, but we'll collect a little bit of premium. But let's see if that behaves in a better fashion. Again, I think Nifty, because Bank Nifty has too much volatility for the iron condor to pay off. You can devise other strategies for it. Similar. All right. So now then you have to figure out changes to make this strategy work for yourself. All right. Finally, we want to move towards a ratio spread butterfly with D covers. Let me load that strategy for you. Eventually, eventually you have to construct these strategies once. You have to construct the template yourself, and then you load it for any instrument. Eventually, we will take the set of all the standard multi-leg option strategies and make them available as a template. Okay, so you can just load them and start using it and modify and give it a custom name. So I want to show the ratio butterfly deep cover. So in this case, we try to sell two lots of at the money call and put, and then we have slightly, in this case, just 500 points away for the covers. And like I say, you can modify it, save with the alternate name. So these are 10 strikes away. Or you're ready. I've just loaded a strategy. Let's say it worked in the past for me. I can directly place these orders. All the 4 legs get executed with a single click. I've chosen my broker to whom the orders get routed. So again, to bring it all together, we have made a option module, which is very easy to use. You construct any strategy just once with any placeholder instrument. Its template gets stored, and you can load that template with any symbol, and you will get the live strikes for that symbol with that strategy will get selected, auto-selected, and you can place that order. And also we have made back testing very straightforward for you, because the system itself selects the appropriate strikes in historic strikes for that particular strategy template. Once you are running these back tests, it will spark new ideas for you on how to capture. It's a game of premium versus the move. So you want to capture as much as easy premium available, but in the months where a sharp move happens, you somehow want to mitigate your risk for that, or try to have exposure to the sharp move as well, in spite of collecting the premium in the months when nothing happens. So that's pretty much it from our end. We are open to questions now. Let me unmute everybody.
Sir, is it a new feature or already existing feature, sir?
So we had a feature within our strategy editor that if you knew your expiration and strike as a hard symbol, then you can code that strategy, and then you have complete flexibility of any kind of strategy that you want to build. But if you want the system to pick up the appropriate strikes as per a template, then we have introduced this new feature where there is no coding required. It's just a graphical tool.
Okay, sir. I feel it very comfortable, sir. Thank you. We can use it for security options, also for all kind of shares, and also futures and bank nifty.
Yeah, this is particular to options, but if you're interested in our futures and cash based editor, there are videos about it, or you can come to one of our demos next week.
So this will also be included in the monthly or quarterly subscription, sir. Otherwise, we have to pay separately for it.
It's included.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I feel it very good, sir.
I'm glad. Anybody else can also type your query in the chats. We will take it up.
Yeah, Gaurav, so there was one query from Aditya Patangi. He wants to understand a couple of other features of Fiverr. He is new to the platform.
Okay. Other features are very exhaustive, so you'll have to come to our demo session. But in a brief, I'll walk you through that. We have a complete charting interface that not only includes cash instruments, but also all the future instruments and options listed on NSE. So just like cash, this is the cash chart that you're used to on TradingView. You can, in our case, you can apply any number of indicators. You can save a template, reload it, continue your analysis. And this is the feature which is not easily available. You can very easily select any future with any appropriate expiration and get its data and continue your analysis. Similarly for a
okay. Sir, can I ask one question, sir?
Okay. So let me complete the last query very briefly in a minute, and then I'll take your query. Okay, similarly, you can load options data, and it goes all the way from a day to a minute. So, but you come to our demo, we'll show you exhaustively. So if we have charts, we have screeners, we have a algo editor. And then once you have created a strategy, you can historically backtest it with a few clicks on any set of instruments. And finally, you can make it live and just monitor how the system is trading on your behalf. So a lot of features. So go to our YouTube channel, go to our blogs, come to our demo and speak to our sales head, Mukul, and you can get to know about all the rest of the features.
Sir, only one question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, I have seen that certain indicators are available in the premium subscriber for TradingView is not available as far I have searched. Is it possible for me to upload that screen indicators also?
Just send us the name of your indicators. We'll let you know if we can incorporate them for you. You as a user can't incorporate new custom indicators, but we'll let you know as a system provider if we can accommodate them.
Just one addition there. On the algo, you can write whatever indicator you want. On the charting side, there is a bit of a limitation, so you can send it to us if you want it in the charts.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, now that you have touched upon the subject, could you just elaborate on a few algo trading features? I think Aditya is still, not sure he got all the key features regarding algo trading.
Okay, so basically the algo editor will allow you to do any kind of price action or technical indicator based trading on any of the instruments that you like. So that is in fact the first set of features that we built, which is the algo trading features. So you can take the algorithm live, you can backtest it with a wide set of instruments. You can do multi-instrument strategies like statistical arbitrage and things like that. We cover all of this in a lot of detail in our demos, and we also have a lot of videos around this on our YouTube channel. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any specific question around the algos. We'll definitely answer that as well. Let us know.
So, I mean, we as Five1 do regular demos to display the details of algo trading. They're on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All those who wants to know those features, algo trading features, can join us there. And Ismail, you can. Those who are interested in algo trading, you can send out you can talk to them and give them a demo slot.
Yeah. Any other queries specific to options for this session?
Gaurav, one of the commonly asked is about the different types of F&O data present on the platform. Could you just touch upon that as well?
F&O data. Yeah, we talked. So everything that you can view on our charts, that data is available to you to construct a strategy. So to see any option data, just select option, choose any instrument that you want. Choose the expiry available and the appropriate strike, call or put, and load its premium data. So this is not usually available in most platforms. And so we have this data for all the symbols, and we have it for all time frequencies, goes all the way to a minute. And during live market hours, it will get updated with each tick in the markets.
I think the one that you selected is a bit out of the bunny, so
yeah,
it's a bit sparse, but yeah.
But yeah, go for any highly liquid option instrument, and you will see it move with each tick. So in essence, we have the whole NSE option data, all the instruments listed on NSE, which most platforms won't provide you option premium data readily available. And just come to our sessions for more details. Like I said, if you know your strike at the beginning of the strategy construction, then you can do anything with it. Just choose your option instruments at the start. But if that is a problem, you need a dynamic selection, then come to our graphical user interface and save your template. Mukul, would you like to address the audience?
I have a question. Hello?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, is there a way we can manually put the strike at the start of the day? The strategy would remain the same, but we just change the strike price and the strike, and then we can get as the algo to run.
Yes, you can. So send us your scenario in slight detail. So send it in writing, and we'll tell you we'll guide you how to run.
In short, if I want to trade at about 9:45 or 10, so we review the market at 9:45, and then based on that we select the strike, and then we just put the strike manually, and then just go for the algo to run.
Yes, you can do that if you're willing to select your strike for the day and deploy the strategy. Yeah, right. Then that code will work for it.
Okay. Thank you.
Can we select it? Are you able to listen to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to check on one front that is there any way in which I can use the scripts by creating baskets and all, and it will pick up the necessary script which satisfies the condition that has been given?
So that you can do in conjunction with our strategy editor. So like we mentioned, if you know so how you can use it is, we have a screening tool. You list all the option instruments, you apply your criteria, and the criteria could be based on your open interest or put call ratio, whatever you feel like. Construct a bucket with so our bucket will capture all those instruments, and you can deploy it. If you construct a strategy with the code, then and you can hard choose your option instruments, or you can choose a bucket, and then all the instruments in that bucket will get executed for that particular coded strategy. So there is a method for you to shortlist a set of symbols that meet a certain criteria.
Okay, so those particular scripts will be selected.
Yeah.
And furthermore, this open interest, while you touched on the open interest, do you have the live data of open interest, or is it like, a snapshot sort of a thing?
Aviral, can you address the frequency of open interest?
So yeah, I think open interest, we have, end of minute open interest is what we get from the data sources.
For individual scripts or index?
It's for right across. So it's regardless of which option we're talking about.
Okay. And the VI, volatility index?
So those are computed, indicators/Greeks that we need to calculate on our end. So that can be done on any sort of frequency. It's not really dependent on.
Yeah, that I agree.
Yeah.
And same is with the Nifty volatility as well.
I think that would apply again right across.
Yeah, that's what. So fine, thanks.
Oh, sorry. So we are ready to conclude unless somebody from the team wants to address the audience.
No, I think we are good to go. So guys, whatever you just saw here, आपने जो भी देखा, जो गौरव, अविरल सब लोगों ने explain किया, you can explore it yourself. Just go to www.51.io. The registration is free. You can try it up. If you like anything, there are flexible plans available. So everything you saw can be tried, on the platform by yourself as well.
And as you saw, this option module is very easy to use. No code, nothing. Just drop down selection and reload it for any symbol. Try to place some live trades. Try to backtest it. It's very easy. Okay, so with that, we will conclude today's session. Thank you so much for attending. Good luck with your trading. Bye-bye.
Gaurav?
Yes?
Sure. There is one question.
Okay.
Aditya Patange say, is there any time lag on the data feed?
No, there is no significant time lag on the data feed.
Okay, that's it. I think Gaurav, we can conclude.
Thank you. Bye-bye.